Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. We've got a fun guitar tutorial and cover to learn today. The song is called Sweet Caroline. It was written and performed by Neil Diamond and it peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 in August of 1969. Now, if you play in a band or you're a soloist or whatever the case may be, this is definitely a must-learn song because it gets your audience singing along with you. And that's always fun when you can get a little audience participation. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, the good news is this song is super easy to play. I've tried to simplify it as best I could to just 3 basic chords that I know you already know. In addition, though, I do add a couple of bar chords in the version that I do as part of kind of a walk down from the chorus to the next verse. And I'll show you those. You don't need to incorporate them into your version. Simply the 3 chords are all you need. But I think it adds a little something to the song, and if you can manage it, by all means throw it in. Let's look at these 3 chords, and then we'll have a quick look at the 2 bar chords. In addition, if you want to play along with the album itself, using the same chords that I'm about to show you, use your capo on the 2nd fret, and then you can play along with Neil Diamond's song as well. So let's look at these chords. First one is an A major. You need to know a D chord. You also need to know an E major. Now, like I say, there are 2 bar chords that I incorporate as well. The first one is a C sharp minor, and then I use a B minor. So that's it. I'll show you where they fit in the song when we're playing through it. Again, you can use those bar chords or not. It's up to you. At any rate, those are the chords you need. Let's look at a little bit of strumming and the chord progression to this song. Okay, I've seen this particular song played in many different ways. I use a little bit of a slap strum, and we'll get right into that right away. I think it works best for me, but you can certainly play it however you want. As long as you get the basic chords down, you'll be able to play it in your own style. Here we go. It starts on the A major chord. Here we go. To the D. Back to the A. And then to the E. Where it began, I don't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. That's it. That's basically how you play the verses. Now I'm going to take just a couple of minutes and show you kind of a pre-chorus that he plays and how you use the same chords but they're changed up slightly. Let's have a look at that. Okay, let's review the pre-chorus, the chorus, and that kind of walk down that I was referring to after the chorus, but before you go back into the next verse. Now, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. Again, they use the same chords, only in a slightly different pattern. Follow me with the chord charts that I put up, and I know you'll get this part down. It basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. Hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I'd be inclined to believe they never would, so I know that's it. You go back into the verse. And that's it. That gets you through this entire song. Again, you may want to incorporate the chords into that, or the bar chords, but you don't have to. You can just get away with the three chords. Very, very easy song to play. Okay, so you know the routine. We're going to mic it up. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Na 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 na. Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. Was in the spring, then spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I'd be inclined to believe they never would, so I look at the night and it don't seem so lonely. We fill it up with only two, and when I hurt, hurting runs off my shoulder. How can I hurt when I'm holding you? One, touching one, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I'd be inclined to believe they never would. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I'd be inclined to believe they never could. And there you have it, Sweet Caroline, written and performed by Neil Diamond. It's a great song to play, lots of fun. My name is Troy Hawes. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. If you like my videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.